So as I'm out here working on the driveway, I've been over here working on the driveway, I noticed the leaves, and I also noticed these. These are acorns. Acorns are edible. They're acorns are the seeds of an oak tree. Oak, O-A-K, right? So when you're going along and you're finding these, this one's been eaten by something, you can collect these and you can take them in and take the insides out of these shells, roast them up, and eat them. Now look at this leaf. See the shape of that leaf? That's a leaf off an oak tree. So when you're walking out and about and you're seeing leaves on the ground that have fallen off and they're shaped like this, these are kind of ugly because they've been on the ground. They're starting to decompose. But if you go up here to this tree, let me grab one here. You can see the shapes of these leaves. These are the leaves of an oak tree. Oak is a hardwood that they use to make furniture or all kinds of things. A lot of pallets are made from oak, different hardwoods. Some are made from other types of wood. But the bark of an oak tree, of course it's got moss growing on it, but that's kind of what an oak tree looks like. That one's got a little vine growing on it and a bunch of moss. So if you're out looking for an oak tree, look for leaves shaped like that. Look for acorns. Those are the seeds that fall off the oak tree, and they're edible and they're nutritious. Deer eat these, squirrels eat these, humans eat these. All you gotta do is just walk around and find them. Get you a bucket load of them, or a big bucket load of them, and take them to the house, roast them up, and eat them. They're actually pretty nutritious, good stuff. Acorns. Go get some and eat them. But you need to look up online how to prepare them. These are shells. These are caps on the shells. The caps come off. You break the shell and get the goodie out of the inside. And the inside part is what you roast up and eat. Let me know what you think and whether or not you're willing to go out and find yourself some acorns.